The power of words. Copywriting for virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you wear many hats. You're an administrative guru, a tech whiz, and a master of organization. But did you know you're also a wordsmith? That's right. Effective communication is key to your success, and that's where copywriting comes in. Copywriting is the art of crafting persuasive words that inspire action. It's about understanding your audience and creating content that resonates with them. Whether you're writing emails, social media posts, or website content, strong copywriting skills can elevate your work and impress your clients. Think of copywriting as your secret weapon for standing out in the digital world. It's about making your clients' businesses shine through the power of words. So, are you ready to unlock the power of copywriting and take your virtual assistant skills to the next level? Let's dive in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Why copywriting matters. Inform, engage, convert. Copywriting isn't just about stringing words together. It's about achieving specific goals. Every piece of copy you write should have a clear purpose, whether it's to inform, provide valuable information to your audience, educate them about your client's products or services, share industry insights and news, engage, capture your audience's attention and keep them hooked, spark their interest with compelling storytelling, encourage interaction and conversation, convert, persuade your audience to take a specific action. This could be anything from signing up for a newsletter to making a purchase. By understanding these core purposes, you can tailor your copy to achieve specific outcomes. Think about what you want your readers to do after consuming your content. This clarity of purpose will guide your writing and make it far more effective. Building blocks of persuasive copy: headlines, subheadlines, and body copy. Just like a house needs a strong foundation, effective copywriting relies on essential elements. Headlines. Your headline is the first impression, the attention grabber. It should be clear, concise, and benefit-driven, enticing readers to learn more. Subheadlines. Think of these as mini headlines that break up your text and highlight key points. They provide additional information and keep readers engaged. Body copy. This is where you delve deeper, providing valuable information, telling stories, and persuading your audience. Keep it clear, concise, and easy to read. Call to action. Guiding your audience. A call to action, CTA, is a crucial element of copywriting. It tells your audience what you want them to do next. Whether it's learn more, download now, or contact us today, a strong CTA is clear, concise, and compelling. Without a CTA, your readers might not know what to do next, even if they enjoyed your content. A well-placed CTA guides them towards the desired action, increasing conversions and achieving your goals. Section 5. The right tone and voice. Connecting with your readers. Imagine talking to a friend versus addressing a CEO in a meeting. Your tone and choice of words would naturally differ, right? The same principle applies to copywriting. Tone refers to the overall feeling or mood of your writing. Is it formal or informal? Playful or serious? Voice is the personality that comes through in your writing. Is it friendly and approachable? Authoritative and expert? Choosing the right tone and voice for your target audience is crucial for building a connection and establishing trust. Section 6. Real-world examples. Deconstructing effective copy. Let's take a look at some examples of effective copywriting in action. Email subject line: don't miss out. Last day for 20% off. This subject line creates a sense of urgency and highlights a clear benefit, encouraging recipients to open the email. Social media post. Tired of feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Our virtual assistant services can help you reclaim your time and focus on what matters most. Click here to learn more. This post speaks directly to a pain point and offers a solution, followed by a clear CTA. By analyzing successful examples, you can start to identify the elements that make copywriting effective and apply them to your own work. Section 7. Exercise your copywriting muscles. From outlines to headlines. Ready to put your copywriting skills to the test? Here are some practical exercises. Create a copy outline. Before you start writing, create a simple outline. Identify your target audience, key message, and desired action. This will provide a roadmap for your writing. Write headlines for different scenarios. Imagine you're writing a blog post about time management tips for busy entrepreneurs. Come up with at least 5 different headlines that would grab their attention. Practice identifying tone and voice. Choose a few pieces of copy from different sources, such as websites, social media posts, or emails. Analyze the tone and voice used. Is it effective? Why or why not? These exercises will help you develop your copywriting instincts and build confidence in your abilities. Section 8. Mastering the art of the CTA. Clear, concise, and compelling. Crafting an effective CTA is crucial for driving conversions. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Use strong action verbs. Instead of saying "click here," try using more specific verbs like "download now," "get your free trial," or "register today." Create a sense of urgency. Encourage immediate action by using phrases like "limited time offer," "don't miss out," or "act now." Highlight the benefits. Clearly communicate the value proposition to your audience. What will they gain by taking action? Remember, your CTA should be clear, concise, and compelling, guiding your audience effortlessly towards the desired outcome. Section 9. Finding your voice. Adapting tone for different platforms. The tone and voice you use will vary depending on the platform and the audience you're targeting. For email, keep it conversational and personalized. Address your subscribers by name and use a friendly, approachable tone. On social media, be engaging and shareable. Use visuals, ask questions, and encourage interaction with your audience. For website copy, be informative and persuasive. Showcase your client's expertise and highlight the benefits of their products or services. By understanding the nuances of each platform, you can tailor your copy to resonate with the specific audience and achieve your desired results. Section 10. Resources for budding copywriters. Take your skills to the next level. Ready to dive deeper into the world of copywriting? Here are some valuable resources to further enhance your skills. Books like Everybody Writes by Anne Handley, The Boron Letters by Gary Halbert and Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Cialdini. Websites and blogs such as Copyblogger, Marketing Profs, and Social Media Examiner. Online courses available on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. Section 11. Conclusion. Unleash the power of copywriting. As a virtual assistant, mastering copywriting basics is an invaluable asset. By understanding the core principles, practicing your skills, and continuously learning, you can craft compelling copy that captivates audiences, drives conversions, and elevates your clients' businesses. Remember, words have power. Use them wisely and watch your virtual assistant career soar to new heights. Watch our other videos for more tips and insights.